Hi FCA staff, I'm Grant Yost and I'm the new manager of Web FCA. The purpose of this video is to show you the new Web FCA template, Joshua version 2. To start, I'd like to show you some examples. So you can actually see right now on the screen, this is Oklahoma FCA, and there's a background video, and this is actually a custom background video, some footage that they've taken. We can put that on the site. They have a custom heading here. They're actually displaying an event that they're going to be having. It's called the We Are One Marriage Retreat, and so they can do a custom heading. They can also do a custom subheading if they want. In this case, they're just using the generic one, but that could be changed as well. And then also there's a call to action right here, and we can link this button to whatever we want to link it to. So we can click on that Register Now button, and then it takes us to the page, or really any page we want to go to. It'll take us there. So we could link that directly to a WebConnects event. So this big kind of background video, and there's a heading and subheading and button, that's called a hero unit. And that's really, for the home page, that's what's featured on this new WebFCA template. So this is South Central Arkansas, and you can see again there's a custom background video here. And this is actually some footage taken from their Fields of Faith event. Now they have a generic heading, Welcome to FCA South Central Arkansas, and a generic subheading and no button with a call to action, but it still looks really good. Another example is Houston FCA, and so this is not a video, but it's a background image, and this is a custom image. It's specific to their area, and when you have that, that's great. And so in this case, you have this background image on there, generic heading and subheading, no button with a call to action, but it looks great. And then another example is FCA North Jersey, and there's a background video here. This is the kind of the general background video that's on FCA.org from time to time, and this can be used with the WebFCA template. It's great if you have custom video footage or a custom background video, or custom background video or background image. But this is available to be used if you don't have that. So to go into kind of the big win with the new template, really it's an update to the design, and it matches the design of the new FCA.org. The new template is still called Joshua. Its name is Joshua version 2, and that's to make the update process easier for you. And in the future, we're hoping to get it set up so that we can actually do automatic updates to the template. Under the hood, the code is still the same. Now, when it comes to customizing your hero unit, there are kind of three options, and I showed you this a little bit. Oklahoma FCA, they actually use the hero unit to show off an event. So they have an event coming up, and they have a background video, and that corresponds to the event, and then the heading, the subheading, and then a button with a call to action, and this is all for an event. And so that's going to change once the event is passed and over. And of course, we wouldn't want February 10th to roll around, and it's still showing a past event. But that's one way you can use it, and if you use it like that, you're going to be changing it more often. Now, South Central Arkansas, they have a background video footage which is specific to their area, which is awesome. But also, let's say they don't have as much time to be updating things. Well, this will look great, and it can just be like this for a long time. It's a little more generic, and so that works really well. Houston is kind of the same way. They don't have to change this background image out. It could stay like this for a long time and look great. But if they wanted to change it out, have a different background image, they definitely could do that. And the same thing with FCA North Jersey. This one is just more generic, and so if there was custom, like a custom background video footage or a background image, that would be awesome. But if you don't have that, it still looks great. And so that's kind of the thinking there. Now, when you want to update your hero unit, you contact me. In the future, hopefully this will change. We'll actually get it set up to where it is updated automatically, and we'll have a code generator that connects to our servers. But for right now, to update it, you just contact me. Another thing just to keep in mind is that if you can incorporate a Facebook feed, it's really great. So if you have a Facebook page, like on FCA North Jersey, there's actually a Facebook page here. This is the feed from the Facebook page, and so you can click on any of the links from the feed, and it'll actually take you to either the link or the post or whatever it is. And so if you have a Facebook page, that's great, because we can actually incorporate Facebook feed into your website. So you get content that automatically updates, which is really great. And then also, if you have like social media, so like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, we can link to those over here, and we have little social media icons. So you can click on that here on the Oklahoma FCA site. You see, you click on the little Instagram icon, and it brings you to their Instagram page. And also, we have little things set up, like there's a little email icon. You can click on that, and that'll pull up your default email client, and it'll start composing an email address. So those are some nice things with the template. Something else just to be aware of is that the site customizer and theme selector will no longer be available. So I'm always open to feedback on that, but for now that's the plan. And so that really wraps it up. I just wanted to say thank you to you guys as staff, as FCA staff. It is an honor to serve you, and as always, I love getting the chance to connect with you, and I really love hearing your feedback. I think that's really, really important for us here at the NSC to be connecting with you guys. And so I'd love to hear your feedback, and actually this process, going through the process, I'm actually planning on speaking to all of you. It'll probably just be 5 or 10 minutes, but we'll touch base. I would love to get the chance to talk to all of you and hear your perspective, and then we can also talk through your site just a little bit as we're updating all the sites. So that's it. Thank you a ton, FCA staff, and as always, feel free to reach out to me anytime.